Zinus 18-inch SmartBase Mattress. You can use your mattress without a foundation, but you are just destroying it by doing that. A product which can give you service for a long time will be unable to do that due to losing the lifespan drastically. Even if you use an imperfect and old-fashioned foundation for your memory foam mattress, you are nothing but keeping it in danger. So, what's the solution? It's pretty simple. Getting a perfect replacement for your old bed combo and box spring is the most appropriate thing. We suggest you get the brand new Zinus 18-inch Premium SmartBase Mattress Foundation. If you ask the reasons behind this, we suggest you go through the Zinus SmartBase review. In a hurry to read? Need to know things more quickly? If you check the user remarks given out there in the different giant web retailers, you will understand in a minute why you should buy this foundation. For instance, it's been an Amazon's choice due to massive numbers of sales and user appreciations. The frame height is 18 inches and made of steel. Although steel may not get much weighty, rather you can find it lightweight. A wood slat support makes it more stable. You can use it either with a box spring or without a box spring. The non-slip tape used on the wooden slats prevents unwanted movement of the mattress. You can find the foundation free from unwanted creaky noise. There is a foam padded tape added to the steel frame, which will prevent the mattress from being collided with frame steel and produce sound. All bed frames don't come with similar assembly procedure. Some of them can be done so easily that they require even no tools. The whole procedure takes a short time period and can be done by the user. If you think about this 18 Zinus SmartBase Queen, Full, Twin, or King, you will see that it's very simple to assemble. You might need 15 minutes maximum to do that without help of any special tool. But some of the frames are really tough to be assembled and require professional expertise. The Zinus Premium SmartBase Mattress Foundation has several sizes. The maximum weightlifting capacity of the unit depends on the sizes. Here we were talking about the queen sizes, for example, and it can hold around 2,400 pounds, as evenly distributed. However, it has a folding design, means you can store it easily. You just need to order the unit, they will do the rest. You will get a home delivery by UPS or FedEx very soon. This is obviously a hassle-free issue for the purchasers. It has a 5-year limited warranty period with repairing and replacement guarantee. In addition, the customer service is satisfactory, stated by most of the users, and as per our analysis,